9 Tai Chi walking mistakes that stop fat loss even if you walk regularly. Hey, you have been doing Tai Chi walking regularly, you are showing up consistently, you are spending your 20 to 30 minutes, maybe even 40 minutes regularly, but your belly fat is not changing. The scale is no more moving, and you are wondering whether Tai Chi walking actually works or not. If this is the situation, then this video is for you. Most people don't know the truth. That is, the problem may not be Tai Chi walking at all. It may be one of these 9 mistakes that people do without even realizing. And some of them are so common that people repeat them every day without realizing they are sabotaging their own result. So let's start with mistake number 1. Many beginners learn Tai Chi walking for a few days and then they slowly start speeding up. Without even realizing it, they go back to the normal walking. They don't understand that Tai Chi walking is not just a movement. It's movement plus awareness. When you rush, you stop engaging your posture, balance, and controlled breathing. Your body goes into autopilot mode. And the worst part is, most people don't even know how to check whether they're doing this mistake or not. Well, just observe yourself. If you're checking messages, thinking about work, or barely paying attention to your movement, then you are probably drifted back into normal walking. What you need to do is, you need to slow down. Focus on every step, pay attention to every posture, pay attention to breathing, and make every step intentional. Remember, the goal is not speed. The goal is quality movement. And now comes mistake number 2. Most people focus only on their feet. They completely forget about their breathing. You need to understand, poor breathing keeps the body tense. Stress levels remain elevated, and when stress remains high, cravings often become stronger. And many people end up eating more without even realizing it. Now, you need to understand how to differentiate if you're doing this or not. Notice your breathing. Is it fast, shallow, mostly in your chest, or not? And if any of the symptoms matches, then you need to try slow and controlled breathing. Match your breath to your pace. The calmer your breathing becomes, the more relaxed your body becomes. And a relaxed body is often easier to keep consistent. Now comes mistake number 3. People start Tai Chi walking and after 2 weeks they check the mirror. And when they found nothing dramatic, they get discouraged. And finally, they quit. You need to understand the biggest enemy is not a lack of results. It's quitting before the moment the results appear. And to avoid this, you need to think in months, not just days. The first month often improves posture and sleep. The second month improves consistency. And the third month is when many visible changes start happening. So, have patience and subscribe this channel for more such health-related videos. Number 4. People walk for 30 minutes and then they reward themselves with extra snacks. Remember, you can erase your entire walking journey with just few high-calorie choices. Walking helps, but it cannot overcome constant overeating. You need to keep your nutrition simple. More protein, more whole foods, and less mindless snackings. Let's walking support your nutrition instead of trying to cancel it out. Mistake number 5. Every morning becomes a weigh-in. The scale does not move, and motivation completely disappears. Most people don't realize that progress is happening somewhere else. The posture improves, the weight measurements improve, the energy improves. And not just this, the sleep also improves. But the scale does not always show these changes. So, you need to track more than weight. Notice how your clothes fit. Measure your waist and pay attention to your energy and mobility. Progress often comes in many forms. If you are enjoying this video, then do hit the subscribe button for more such health-related videos that will help you to lose weight faster. Let's jump back to mistake number 6. Most people walk 1 hour today and then nothing tomorrow and nothing even the day after tomorrow. And after that day, they go for a deep long walk. They don't understand that the body responds better to consistency than occasional effort. 20 to 30 minutes most days beats one massive workout every weekend. So focus on building a habit, not winning a single day. Mistake number 7. Many people don't focus on their posture. Head down, rounded shoulders, and looking at the phone. They don't understand poor posture reduces movement efficiency, and it can also lead to unnecessary discomfort and tension. You need to keep your head up and relax your shoulders. And not just this, you need to lengthen your spine too and focus on moving with controlling. Remember, good posture turns walking into a full body activity. And now comes mistake number 8. People constantly worry, am I losing fat? Is this working for me? And if yes, then why is not my belly fat shrinking? Well, the irony is that Tai Chi walking is designed to reduce stress. But many people bring stress into the walk. You need to understand that walk is used as a break from stress. So, focus on movement, focus on breathing, and focus on the present moment. Trust the process, not the expectations. And now comes the last but the most important mistakes that I can bet even you are doing. People think I'll do this for 30 days and then I'll stop. They forget that fat loss comes from long-term habits, not any short-term challenges. So stop asking, when can I stop Tai Chi walking? And start asking, how can I make Tai Chi walking a part of my life? That's when the real transformation begins. Remember, the people who get the best results from Tai Chi walking are not necessarily the fastest walkers. They are not even the most athlete and not too much motivated. They are simply the people who avoid these mistakes and stay consistent long enough to let the process work. Fix these 9 mistakes and your next 90 days could look completely different. Subscribe this channel for more such health-related videos, and 2 of them must be popping up on your screen. Click on it and see you in the next video.